Let me ask you something. If I give you this, x plus 5 equals 10, can you find the value of x in just a few seconds? If not, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll solve it easily. Most people think algebra is hard, but actually, it's just about finding something missing. Imagine you have some money in your pocket, but you don't know how much. Let's call that unknown amount x. Now you buy something for $5. So now you have x plus 5. In algebra, we use letters like x to represent unknown values. Our goal is simple. Find what x is. Let's solve this step by step. X plus 5 equals 10. We want to get x alone. So we remove 5 from this side. But here's the rule. Whatever you do on one side, you must do on the other side. Apply rule. So we subtract 5 from both sides. X plus 5 minus 5 equals 10. Minus 5. Now we get x equals 5. That's it. We solved it. Let's try another one. X minus 3 equals 7. To remove minus 3, we add 3 on both sides. X minus 3 plus 3 equals 7 plus 3. So x equals 10. Now one more. 2x equals 10. Here, 2 is multiplying x. So we divide both sides by 2. X equals 10 divided by 2, x equals 5. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and solve this. X plus 4 equals 9. Answer, x equals 5. See? Algebra is not hard at all. It's just about following simple steps. In the next video, I'll show you how to solve equations like 2x plus 5 equals 15. Make sure you're ready, because we're going from basic to advanced step by step. Thank you for watching.